Hello and welcome to Seaview Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to join a WebEx meeting. The first thing we need to do is go to our browser of choice and then navigate to office.com. Once we get to office.com, we need to sign in with our Learn Link email. It may take us to this already and we can just enter our password in. You can tick keep me signed in to make life easier for you. And we push sign in. And once we get to office.com, we need to go to Outlook, which is right here. So we click Outlook. And once we get into Outlook, this will be our school email, which you may need to access throughout this period. Teachers may email you, but we need to go to calendars, which is down in the bottom left down here. Looks like a calendar. Once we get to calendar, we can see the month ahead of us, and we can see all the meetings that teachers have scheduled so far. So as we can see, we've got a meeting on all these days, and as the weeks go on, more meetings will appear in your calendar. So if we click on our first meeting, so on Monday here, it's a research project. All we have to do is click on the link. It will take us to a website here where it will download WebEx for the first time. And it'll come down here in the bottom right. If this doesn't work, we can push download now. So as we can see, it timed out. So there we go, now it's installing a client for me. And if we let this download, and once we click on that, it should open up and take us straight to our meeting once it installs. So we have to let it install here a minute. So as we can see, WebEx is now installed, and we need to enter our school email address, and we can enter our name in at the top. And we're just going to change that to Kim, and then click next. And when the time comes, you'll be able to join the class. So it says meeting hasn't started. So each time from now that you need to join a meeting, you can go to your calendar, click on the meeting you need to join. So if we get out of that, click on the meeting and click the link, and it should take you straight to the thing we downloaded a minute ago. So open in WebEx meeting, and it'll open up and it'll have our what class it is at the top, and we need to enter our email address and name in again. So that's how you join our meeting on WebEx. Refer to our other videos on how to interact with a meeting on WebEx. Thank you for watching and stay safe.